How to turn on comments in-app notification on your TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going? Today we'll show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just open your TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, you will just go here on your profile, open your profile, then go to this three line at the top of the screen. Open it, click settings and privacy, then go to notification. After this, go to in-app notification and turn on comments like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this video, and if you have any comments you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.